Let's see how to set up a Ring indoor camera without the QR code. Let's say you lost yours and you need to set up your camera. Then you just need to use a PIN code. Let me just show here how you can do this. Here's the cell phone with the Ring app. So just bring your Ring app, come here to the left side, and here you're gonna find devices. From here you can set up a new device. So just tap here. And now it's waiting to scan the QR code on your Ring camera, but you don't have the QR code, right? So you just need to come here down on set up a non-Ring device. And here, security cameras. And you look for the model. In my case here, it's a Ring indoor camera, 2nd generation. There we go. And from here now I need to enter a PIN code. And you can find this PIN code here on the back of the camera close to the QR code. But let's say the QR code is not working because it's scratched or something like this. Okay, here's also information how to find it. You see, it's below the QR code. So let me just come back here and lock mine. There we go. So here's the QR code just below the PIN code, sorry, just below the QR code, right? Then I just need to enter here. There we go. Then select the location that you want to add your camera and hit continue. And then you can just give the camera a name. Let's just put the way, hallway, for example. And then make sure that the cover is open. Let me just open mine here. There we go, it's opened already. Cover is open, and then where will this indoor camera be pointed? Then you can select the house. Indoor camera is on, it's connected. Next, grab your Wi-Fi password. So you just need to know the password to inform the camera which password to use to connect to your router. So I have my password. It's near to the device. And now the camera is preparing the setup. Remember that your Ring camera is going to connect to your router. So it's a good idea to have the camera close to the router or not that far away to the router, right? Sometimes it's not that easy to have it closer, but you can also use repeaters if you just need to put the camera far away from the router. There we go. You can just check here if the light is flashing blue. It's asking me to check that. So the light isn't flashy yet. So I just select here, isn't flashing. So I just need to press the button at the top of the camera. Okay, so here's the instruction. So I just press it. There we go. Now I see the LED. It's flashing. And now it's connecting to the camera.
Now connected to the Ring app.
There we go. It connected to my network. That was saved before. But if you just have a new network or you're setting up for the first time, you just need to select the Wi-Fi that's available. Okay. Here, for example, I have a lot of different Wi-Fis. Let's say I want to connect to this one, for example, my Wi-Fi 24. Then I just need to enter the password here. I have this one just to test the camera, so I can just type here, hit return. Now the Ring camera is
connecting to Wi-Fi. Just a moment.
Looking here, it's connecting to the Wi-Fi. Was successfully connected to the Wi-Fi, and Alexa could find as well. I just hit continue here.
Setup successful.
There we go. Continue one more time. Then there's a tutorial here how to install the indoor camera. I can just hit here. I've already installed it. Can optimize for motion if you want to. I'll just skip for now. And you can review the features here as privacy zone, for example. Let me just skip this for now as well. And I'm done. Okay. And now here, see the camera installing some updates. And you just need to wait for it to finish and you're good to go. Okay. In this case here, may take up to 50 minutes. So I just need to wait for the setup to finish with the update, okay? And basically it's working now. So that's the way you can set up your Ring indoor camera without a QR code. You just need to enter the PIN code and you're good to go. I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.